everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video, we're going to be giving yet more sticker swap shoutouts. I was just looking on my phone at all my YouTube uploads, and I have already done 20 of these sticker swap shoutout videos, and the wall behind me has grown and grown and grown with stickers. This will be the 21st shoutout video I've done. I've got a bunch of amazing stickers to show you guys, some other stuff people have sent me, but all of it's really, really awesome. So let's get started with the shoutouts. The first one I want to give a shout out to is Dave's Creative Metalworks. The Retro Fit King. Really, really awesome logo. Looks like a heavy metal album cover. Shyvan Custom Creations C3. I hope I pronounced that right. Stubby K Studio. Modern Memories. And Modern Memories seems to know that I collect Hot Wheels cars. The sticker swap came with a Hot Wheels stamp. So really, really awesome. Thank you for that. Paul's Woodworking. A funny sticker here, but a sticker swap. Crack Pays Bills, plumbing company. They've got crack keels. They've got keels slashed out, and they've got Pays the Bills. Really, really nice play on words. Lakeshore Wood Turner, Michael Thomas, established 2020. Nice lighthouse logo there. Argue Woodworks from Wisconsin. Walsh's Woodworks, Handcrafted Wood Creations, Mobile, Alabama, established 2020. And Daniel Walsh is a longtime follower of mine over on Instagram and YouTube and all, and he sent me this awesome print of my logo, which is the sticker I send out, but really, really awesome. It's nice and sturdy, but really, really cool. He sent this note. The 3D print was done by Sean Bray. Keep up the positive message and the awesome scroll work. Take care and God bless. Daniel at Walsh's Woodworks. Thank you for this, Daniel. I'll display this proudly out in the workshop. I really appreciate that. Evoke Artisans, handcrafted in Michigan. Another sticker swap that came with an awesome Hot Wheels stamp. I will put these somewhere with tape up on the sticker swap sticker wall as well as the stickers. Man Crafting. Manly Arts and Crafts. Nice Weldon logo there with a shield, and they sent me a nice pencil with the company name and slogan on it. Really, really cool. Thank you for that. Samsung. Nice big sticker there. Polly's Island Outdoors, and it's got the website and a nice fish on it down below Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. Fent, and I'm not even going to pronounce or even try to pronounce this the name under it, but really nice turquoise sticker there. Turquoise is my favorite color. Epic Fail, Custom Dice Creations. Really, really neat and unique business. Makes custom dice for board games and all. Alpha Whiskey Woodworks, established 2020. And finally, Jolly Redbeard Brewing. Nice pirate style logo sticker there. Really, really cool. That's all the new stickers and stuff that's came in lately. As per the usual, let's now get all the new and amazing stickers up on the sticker swap sticker wall. stickers are up on the sticker swap sticker wall, and we're really getting to the nitty gritty, guys. There is little room left on this panel. There's a little bit of room left on those 2 panels. I will always give sticker swap shout outs, so please keep sending me stickers and stuff like that to throw on the sticker swap sticker wall. Once everything is full, I'll probably remove my original Artisan Pirate banner and get another piece of 1/4 inch plywood down here to continue adding stickers and fill this whole back wall up with stickers. If need be, I'll move the jaws cut out, the sword, the clock over here and everything, and add a small panel over here. I love doing these videos. It is a great way to network and communicate with the woodworking and creative maker community out there. As always, if you guys would like to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, all you have to do is send me your address, and I'll happily get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you guys, and hopefully in return I'll get a nice sticker to throw up on the sticker swap sticker wall while there's still room, and give you an amazing shout out in an upcoming shout out video. As always with these videos, I'll leave links down in the description box below to everyone's Instagram page that I can find. Sticker swap is primarily done through Instagram, so I'll leave links to everyone's page that I can find down in the description box below, so you can go follow them, interact with them, and of course sticker swap with them and follow them. That's about all for this one. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.